All right, so today is a day where I just want to do a recap because it's so like actually annoying. Um, yeah, so let's get started. Um, let's go into New York Open. Um, we're stuck in yesterday's range. If we look at daily PXL PXH, I mean it's kind of bullish, but like 4 hour structure, just inverse, 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 inverse right here. Like it's not clear. So I kind of did mess up on the daily buys today. Um, and that's just because I was not paying that much attention. But at the same time, there were also reasons for why I was bearish. So first thing why we could have been bullish today is because of the 18 open and just instant manipulation below what a Dallas mark. Then we trade around here and continue higher. Not really much market maker models inside. Um, the thing I didn't like right before New York opened is this accumulation and kind of manipulation. So I thought that there is a possibility of distribution for our candle. Um, yeah, it's just like basically no manipulation under midnight open. If we draw the hourly fib, or we can do something wrong with the data. It's not supposed to be like that. Yeah, I don't know. Because midnight open, it showed that this wick actually went through it. Yeah, the charts are tweaking today, like genuinely. Um, but we have these equal lows, engineering liquidity right above previous day low, no SMT here, triple equal lows here. Like, for me, it seemed kind of bearish. So let's go on into market open. I didn't trade the market open. Um, but I guess my POI would have been this fair value gap. Is it kind of like aligns with OTE? Um, but also at the same time, rejecting from this OTE, forming bearish structure. We still have a lot of bullish structure though. So theoretically, until we inverse this kind of longs are not the best play. Um, yeah, kind of took out New York high. I thought, all right, this could have been like engineer liquidity. It kind of did seem like a manipulation with the how hourly candle closed. Seemed quite bullish to me. Quite ignored it, and then 10 a.m. opened up. Um, Now we are trading inside of our hourly fair value gap. We did like a gap fill here of a BPR. Um, I think we're still in the OTE. Yeah, we tapped OTE. So I was just waiting for like some kind of range to form so I could like short. Um, and we get that here. Uh, yeah, on this candle. And then I short the 10 a.m. targeting I think only this low. Um, like a low hanging fruit, and like I get tagged in, and then on the next candle I'm out. The only reason I took it is because of the risk. 12 points, I can afford it. Plus, I'm getting good RR. And then after that, I kind of hopped on the 5 minute and just waited for a potential entry trigger. And I got that here. So I did take this. Reason being, if we look on, oh, that's MNQ. If we look on ES, at first it kind of seemed like a weaker asset because NQ just put in all this like SMTs and stuff. But then ES kind of caught up, removing the SMTs, and it kind of switched. So like on this candle where I got tagged in, we can see there's a SMT with ES, and if we go on the 1 minute, MNQ had like a big ass wick here, and like it was like basically like right here, and I was targeting it for like a 7.3 RR, and it gets edged, and then I add to the position at 10 a.m. key open and get stopped break even. Honestly, there were signs of us being bullish overall for the day. The 18 open, the manipulation at 9:30, and then continuation higher. But yeah, either way, I think probably would have been break even or a lost day. Maybe potentially could have taken. No, not really. But yeah, I took two losses. No, one loss, one break even. Um, could have actually done better. Um, does seem like we're forming a market maker sell model though. I think tomorrow we're putting in high of week, probably during Asia or like London, and then we'll continue lower for the rest of the week. Friday TGIF. Um, I'm really looking at this liquidity, bro. There's no way we're not gonna take that out. Um, quite unfortunate, but it is what it is. Um, I'm off. See you.